Fungo Care is our biggest strength. It's a 1-year warranty, and we're partnered with more than 500 repair shops all over the country. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Minjun Park, and I'm the CEO of Piero-Company. Today, I'm going to introduce PhoneGo. PhoneGo is a rental business for your devices. So we do anything from phones, tablets, to computers. With PhoneGo, you can use an iPad for just $7 a month. The price point of $7 a month is possible because all our devices are refurbished. Refurbished meaning anything from light cleaning to complex repairing. All our products function exactly same as the new ones. They come with 1-year warranty, and most importantly, they're up to 60% cheaper. We have two types of revenues. First one is the rental revenue, and then the second one is the sales revenue. Our average annual return for rental is more than 52%. We only have 2% loss rate with 0 defect rate. And our gross profit rate is high as 19%. As you can see, we recently received investment, which will allow us to grow even further. This is our business model. We collect all the devices from individuals, distributors, and corporations. Once they're collected, we wipe out all the personal data completely, and then they go through inspection and refurbishment process. Once it's done, we apply something called PhoneGo Care, which is 1-year warranty, and after that, everything's repackaged. They're ready to be sold or rented out to consumers or corporations. As I told you earlier, PhoneGo Care is our biggest strength. It's a 1-year warranty, and we're partnered with more than 500 repair shops all over the country, which means you can get your device fixed anytime, anywhere for free with PhoneGo. Why is the PhoneGo best? We have 3 key factors. We have large supply chain of various devices. We are also partnered with more than 500 repair shops all over the country. And number 3, we supplied all the essential parts directly to these repair shops. We have 3 goals that we want to achieve this year. First, we're growing 5% every week in terms of new rentals. And number 2, we want to reach the total revenue of $600,000. And number 3, we want to reach our break-even point by going global. This is our team, and I want to call it a dream team for refurbished devices. I studied advertising and also business administration, and I also have experience in running 3 businesses globally. Refurbished devices not only save your wallet, but also our planet. Thank you.